Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11, 10 WFS.exe missing error 100% working fix. Open Start, Settings, System, Optional Features. Select Windows Fax and Scan. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.